is getting caught right now because I know he's speeding. I'm going to leave it, catch him. Look at him. Yeah. A few moments later. Wow, 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 isn't he very nice? A few minutes later. Okay, I'm catching that Holden here because he's speeding more than 110 kilometers an hour. A few minutes later. A few minutes later. Yeah, that Nissan in front of us is not keeping their fun, they're overtaking. Well. A few moments later. Oh my god, did he actually hit him? Oh, it looked like, yeah, it really looks like it.
It's way too close. You can't see anybody. All you can see is the back of the caravan.
Oh, I could not believe what that Nissan's doing there in the front. This is extreme.
Okay, it's 5 k's. It's not 500 meters.
Recorded this about a minute and 35 seconds. I am recording that Nissan tailgating. Far out. I won't be adding that one on my vlog video. I'm finally doing vlogs videos now. No, I'm doing what Catch Him on the Roundabout does. Yeah, I will get this all on camera, and this can go to Dashcam Adelaide. few minutes later. Wow, 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 isn't he very nice? A few moments later. Wow, 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 isn't he very nice?